Good morning. It is Real Estate Tips Tuesday, and this week's tips, I'm going to talk about another little do-it-yourself project that can save you money and is good for the environment. If you live in a place such as Colorado that has a very dry climate and only has a little bit of precipitation, then this project might be good for you. Here in Colorado, it's a very arid climate with low humidity and not very much rainfall. We get about 17 inches of rain average, and we have in the winter or in the summer times, it's very harsh on our gardens and our lawn, and you're always using a lot of water. And a few years ago, Colorado decided to pass a law that allows us to collect rainwater. So that is the do-it-yourself project I'm going to talk about today, is a rain barrel. So in Colorado, you are allowed two rain barrels that combine with the combined amount of 110 gallons of water. And this water can be used to help you water your lawn or your garden, which would have otherwise been just wasted and went down into the storage, the storm's drainage. The average American uses about 320 gallons of water, and about 30% of that goes to outdoor use. And half of that 30% is used to water lawns and gardens. So having a rain barrel is very cost effective, and it's environmentally friendly because it helps to conserve water that would otherwise be just washed away down into the storm drains. Creating a rain barrel on your own isn't that difficult. You just kind of need to get a nice barrel, and you'll need to have a valve on it. So there are plenty of resources out there that can help you build your own, but you can also go and purchase one that's already been pre-made at either a garden store or online, and then that way you can just set it up in the area that you need to use your water. Rain barrels are not only great for getting extra water for your lawn and garden over the hot summer months, but it's also friendly on your checkbook, where it helps you to have a lower monthly water bill because you're collecting rainwater that would otherwise be wasted. And it's also a very environmentally friendly resource to use to help with watering your lawn or your garden or other household chores, such as maybe perhaps washing your car. So it helps with the conservation of water. It also helps with contaminated water maybe getting into underground water or rivers or lakes or ponds, stuff like that. So it's a great tool to not only help you with keeping your garden green and your lawn green and your garden growing, but it also helps with the environmental impact of wasting water. If you enjoyed this tip, please press the like button and subscribe so you can get these kind of tips in your email box every week. And if you have any questions or want to talk about this topic further, please contact me through my social pages. And until next week, have a wonderful rest of the week.